What goes on behind the scenes to write and publish a news story? That is the essential question that my 7th grade students think about as they create a video podcast on a current issue in the news. One of the best ways to illustrate the inquiry-based teaching and learning in my classroom is to share a few of the stories my students produced this year. One student did her story on homelessness and shared that her mother had been homeless due to addictions. Another student was passionate about the problems resulting from bullying. As part of her research, she arranged to meet with one of our guidance counselors, wrote questions for the counselor, and included the interview in her story. Another student researched and wrote about a rare cancer that has affected a young cousin of hers. And yet another student wrote a story about communities that are considering eliminating tornado sirens because of budget restraints. She emailed our mayor with questions and included his response in her story. We begin by taking a look at the role and responsibilities of reporters. Then we watch professional news stories and the students identify elements that make engaging stories. The criteria that they identify is later used as their rubric. Students use Diigo to save and share bookmarks and a Google document for note-taking and script writing. They share their Google Doc with me so that I'm able to monitor their progress and provide feedback through document comments. Another example of inquiry-based learning I implemented this year is with the 5th and 6th grade. Quest Atlantis is a three-dimensional interactive space where students solve missions and quests based on academic content and social skills. After covering the foundational concepts in Quest, I guide students to individualize their learning. Each student's experience is unique and is based on their interests and specific academic goals.